How to use the I am affirmation effectively. Well, there's so many people that are wanting or trying to teach the principles of energy in this universe and manifestation and law of attraction and all of that kind of thing. Some are understanding it and some are not. And so let's look at this I am, because I've seen it used in ways that are not effective at all, because you can proclaim to be anything you want, but whether you believe it, that's a completely different thing. And so you certainly never want to use any statement as a means to attempt to proclaim something that you don't feel or believe and expect the law of attraction is going to deliver that, to deliver the path to that. So let's have a look and see how you could use that statement to your advantage. And I just want to point out that what you hear in this video, like you hear in all of my videos, there's a certain amount of repetition. And of course, that is by design, because there is no one thing you're going to learn that's going to change the way your life is manifesting. What we're after here is the repetition of new information, this new information that you're hearing in these videos. And you want to hear it over and over and over again so that you start to develop habits of thought around it, and that you start to think from the perspective of it, because it's the perspectives that you pick up in these videos are very empowering for you. They tell you just exactly how powerful you are and how much this universe is supporting you. And so as you hear that after day after day after day after day, it'll start to stick, and you'll start to hear some of those old habits that you have, and you'll start to question them. You'll think, well, no, it's not that way. That's just something I picked up. But this is the stuff, and when you hear it over and over and over, you're going to start to really think in these ways. And as you change your thought habits, you change your beliefs, that changes your vibration, and that's what changes your life. So that's what we're after here, is a releasing of the resistance in our energy, that negative emotional energy that we find ourselves in through the day. And we want to diminish that. We want to release that. We want to let that go bit by bit by bit by bit, because it's pulling our vibration down. And as we let that go, then our vibration automatically rises. It's to its natural place. It's always high naturally until we pull it down. So let's take a look at this I am or I have kind of affirmation. And let me remind you that your total reality, it's physical reality and vibrational reality. And without that full scope of reality, it really takes a lot of the power away from you and your ability to think in ways that allow you to see how everything is serving you and everything is set up to work out for you. So you want to sort of train that into your mind, that your total reality is much more than just physical reality, kind of like that tip of the iceberg sticking out of the water. There's so much more below, and that would be sort of like what vibrational reality and all the other elements of the creative process are. So here we are in our physical reality, and it is what it is. And in many cases, we want one or more aspects of it to be different. And so why don't we just say, I'm rich, or I have the house that I want to have, and it will just show up. And well, if you've been around this stuff any amount of time, you know that just making those kinds of statements doesn't really change anything. And so while you're looking at your current physical reality with your physical eyes, and you're seeing things that are not quite the way you want them to be, you also have your imagination, and your emotions will tell you what's in vibrational reality, and it's all set up and ready for you to receive. And what allows you to receive it, again, is a good feeling thought energy, any thoughts that feel good, positive emotion. That's telling you that your energy is in alignment with the things that you want. So you want to make statements that cause you to feel good. So if you've got, let's say, some amount of money in the bank and you would like it to be more, or in some cases maybe a lot more, and you make a statement like, I have a lot of money, or I'm rich, and that really is not going to change anything in your physical reality, because if you really believe that, there would be more of that in your physical reality. More of that would have already manifested. So it's very likely that you're really not believing that statement. So a nice way to use that statement and get it working for you is, instead of just saying a statement like, I am rich, which quite frankly is true. It is an accurate statement. You are rich right now. You were born rich. You're always rich. But if you say, I'm rich, and you're not feeling it, and you want to feel it, then you can add the words because or why. I am rich because. Now, all of a sudden, this evokes from you a whole conversation about why it is that you're rich. And so very quickly, you came to this planet for joyous expansion. Just by going through your day, it causes you to ask for things that you want from things that you don't like. And your inner being sets that all up and is standing with it all the time, and it's standing with you too, where you are. And of course, your inner being is everywhere, and so that's why it has the perspective, the broader perspective of everything. But we can get that perspective too, even in our physical form. So if you say, I'm rich because I came here for joyous expansion, and because all the universal elements are behind me, and because I have an inner being, and because I wake up in the day and it causes me to know what I want and be clear about what I want, and that causes my inner being to set it up for me in vibrational reality. And when I feel good, and I have unlimited amount of feel good available to me when I know the creative process, because it gives me all kinds of perspective to tell me why it's good, then I'm allowing myself to receive the path to all of these things, and they will gradually move into my life through my daily experience, as the path of details is woven into that daily life that I live. So now all of a sudden you can start to feel rich. And the biggest part of why you're rich is because positive feeling thoughts are really the currency of life. And you have, with this information, you have access to unlimited amount of positive feeling, good feeling thoughts. So you're rich in those. Your inner being makes sure you're rich in everything that you want. It's in vibrational reality. And as you start to talk with yourself like that, and you can start to feel rich, then you can make a statement like, I'm rich. And for a little while, you'll probably want to continue to describe to yourself why it is that you're rich. But after a while, you can say that statement, I am rich, and you'll feel it. You'll feel the richness that you are. But again, for a little while, you've got to train that into your thinking and to your believing. But until you do that, you want to add these statements, I'm rich because, and then that helps you to remember and talk to yourself for a little bit. And it's that repetition that is going to cause you to develop new thinking habits and new beliefs and a higher vibration. And then that stuff is going to start to flow into your physical experience. And so it's the same thing with, you can say, I have, maybe you have a house and maybe you want a different house, and you can say, I have the house that I want. And you look at your physical reality and your beliefs are going to say, well, I don't see it that way. And so your faulty beliefs are going to kind of win that argument because they got momentum going. And so you're not going to feel good about that. So you can say, I have a house in vibrational reality that I really like, and it feels really good when I think about it. And I can have that house because, and then you tell that story again. I can have it because I can think and choose good feeling thoughts about it and about anything and everything. And that allows me to receive the path. So again, rather than just the one statement affirmation, you can use the one statement that will then bring you into a little story and several statements that bring you to a good feeling place that you do have, and you are rich and everything else that you want. But just to say those statements as just a one statement thing, when you don't really believe them, then they're not going to work for you. They're going to work against you. They're going to cause faulty beliefs to come up and bring your vibration down. But you can turn that around right on the spot by just invoking a conversation about it, by just adding the word because or why. A statement like, a person might say, I'm receiving $1 million into my bank account this week. Well, you can say those words if you want, but it's very unlikely that you believe it, because if you did, that money would already be there. So you could say, I am starting to learn how to receive money into my bank account or into my life. I am starting to learn how to receive all the things that I want, because I know how it is that they are set up for me to receive, and I know what it is that I do to receive them. So you see, as you start to talk in that way, now you're causing yourself to feel that you do have the things that you want to have, and that they are on their way, and you're fully in charge of allowing yourself to receive those things. So that makes it very different when you approach the I am or the I have kinds of statements. And if you make them and they're short and you really feel them and they bring out of you all of good feeling emotions and certainty and knowing and belief and all of that, that's wonderful. Then you can go ahead and use them all day long. But if you use them and they don't feel like that, then there's a way you can get them to feel like that, and that's by adding because or why, and then explaining to yourself, why and because, and as I have illustrated earlier in what I had said in this video. So that's the message for today. And so you want to be very mindful of the statements that you're using, and the affirmations and even visualizations that you truly believe. You have a good reason to believe what it is that you're saying, and you understand why it's true. And the more you do that, then the more you start to build your beliefs to be in alignment with the things that you want. And when your beliefs line up with what you want, now you're going to be high vibration. You're going to be a match to those things, and they are going to start to manifest and show up in your life. So that's the message for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any comments, leave them on the post, and have yourself a great day.